Salam and DINICH, or should I say, hi, how you doing? Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great Food. Today we're going to make a really simple and really delicious Ethiopian dish. It's yellow split peas with some turmeric or Attar Alicha. What I'm going to be doing, if you've seen some of these videos before, is with my very, very limited skills in Amharic, which is the national language of Ethiopia. I'll be pointing out a few ingredients in that language as well as, of course, in English. Let's get moving. This is beautiful. It's vegetarian, it's vegan. Let's go. Okay, so let's take a look at what we have here. It's very, very few ingredients and absolutely delicious. So we've got here yellow split peas or attar. Now, attar roughly means peas. Misa means lentils, so there is a difference. Tomatoes or TIMATIM, try and use a nice ripe tomato. Onion or SHIN, fresh chili, cut down the middle. If you want, sometimes in Ethiopia they will scrape the seeds out, but I like them in. I like a bit of heat there. So in Amharic that's karia. This is turmeric or erd, and this is garlic or NECH shinkut. So white, it means white onion. We're going to start this off with some oil. We're going to add salt. That's it. It is delicious. So we're going to start off with some olive oil. Oil in Amharic is ZEIT. We're going to drop in our onion or shinkut. Cut it nice and small. And on and above medium heat, let's go for about 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, so the onions are coming on really nicely. You could, if you wanted, cook them longer than this, but I'm happy right there. Next up, we're going to put in our garlic or NECH shinkut, which means white onion. We're now going to add our turmeric or erd, some salt. Now salt, I have trouble saying salt. My pronunciation of it is not so good. So there's CHOW, meaning hello or goodbye, and CHOW. So I think I'm saying that right, but I'm sure some Amharic speakers will correct me. Next up, we're going to go with our tomatoes or TIMATIM. Like I say, try and use a nice ripe, juicy tomato. And by the way, we're going to be adding some water to this, or in Amharic, wuha. So what we want to do now is we need to cook these tomatoes for about 7 or 8 minutes. I really want them to kind of collapse and die. Give it a stir every now and then. This is going to be so, so delicious. So as you can see, we've been cooking away, and they've really cooked down these tomatoes or TIMATIM, which is kind of just where we want it. What we're going to do now is add our split peas or attar. Now I've cooked these for about, I gave them a wash, cooked them in a little bit of salt water for about 20 minutes. Now generally, not always, but generally, when you go and eat in an Ethiopian restaurant, you're going to find the word alicha. Like this is Attar Alicha. Alicha generally means that it's mild, it's not spicy. Not in every single case, but generally. So when you're there, if you don't fancy something really spicy, go for something that's called alicha. Anything alicha. And if you want spicy, look for the word K, or no, like key. It's spelled key. K-E-Y. K-what means red what, and red what generally means it's spicier because it's made with Burberry. Right, what we're going to do now is add a little bit of water, just a little bit of cold water, or in Amharic, DINICH. We're going to go for about another 4 to 5 minutes on this kind of fairly lively heat, stirring pretty much all the time now. That's fantastic. Okay, we're going to add some more water or wuha. And you can play around with the amount here. You can get it as thick or as thin as you like. So I'm going to turn the heat down to a medium now. So we've been on above medium. Medium heat now. For about 7 or 8 minutes, we want the attar or the peas to kind of cook down just a little bit more than they already are. Give it a stir every now and then. Okay, we are done. We're going to turn the heat off. Check that for salt. You might want to add a little bit more. Now, some people would cook it a bit longer than this and kind of break those peas down a little bit more. I'm happy right there. We're going to now add in our fresh chili or curry and mix it in. And this beautiful, beautiful Attar Alicha or stewed peas, mild stewed peas is ready. Let me get that in a bowl. Okay, and there you go. Absolutely wonderful, super delicious, super easy to make. Please do visit an Ethiopian restaurant if you're not familiar with it. It's wonderful. The whole experience is incredible. The food is absolutely delicious. We'll see you soon. Thank you very much. Or amasaganalo. Lots of love to you. Thank you very much for taking time to watch our cooking videos. Hope you enjoyed them. Lots going on. We've got a new vegan channel, which we're trying to promote at the moment. Just 100% vegan, so please check that out. Chef June has started his own Filipino cooking channel. He's still going to be appearing here with me on How to Cook Great, but he started his own one. And we've got Rahel, who's doing great stuff on her Amharic or Ethiopian cooking channel. So if you're into either of those things or those three things, please check them out. The links might pop up here or they'll be down below. If you'd like to support the channel, which I really do hope you do, you can by buying us a cup of coffee. It's going to cost you a couple of dollars. Just follow the link, PayPal or whatever it is. Really, really would help us if you do that. I think that's about it. We're doing fine. We hope you're well. Subscribe to us. That helps us out a lot. Give us a thumbs up. We do like that. And more importantly, please do leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you and see what you're up to. That's it. Be safe. Be well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.